Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. I was supposed to do a cooking video today, but it didn't happen, which I'm sure you're aware of by now. I had a job interview and some other things going on today, so my day got away from me before I realized it. So I'm just going to show you my Christmas baked goods that I box up and I give away as gifts. And I always buy my boxes a year ahead of time. After Christmas, you can find these on clearance 75% off, so I stock up. I put them in my Christmas storage tub, that way I have them to use next year without having to pay full price for them. So all I do is stick a piece of parchment paper in the bottom and then I fill them up with goodies. So I started with some haystacks, some chocolate covered peanut butter filled saltines, toffee crunch delight cookies, coconut macaroons, dark chocolate pecan fudge. And now all of those videos I've already posted. So if you want to know how to make those, you can go back and look at my shorts and also my regular cooking videos. I think I have a couple of those on there. And then we have some lemon meltaways and some pecan snowballs, and I haven't edited those videos and posted them yet, but I will post them eventually. I'm not sure. They're probably not going to get done before Christmas. I know they're not going to get done before Christmas. It may be a New Year video. But that's all there is to making a gift box of baked treats. The hardest part is all the baking. I gave these away a couple of days ago and everyone seems to be enjoying them. I just write the names on them of who they're going to go to with a Sharpie, but if you want to make them prettier, you can add some name tags and bows and ribbons and all that fancy stuff. Everyone knows that I'm not fancy. I wrap everything in newspaper or brown paper bags or re-gift gift bags that people gave me from last year. So just giving you some ideas for homemade gifts. You can always bake if you don't know how to do anything else, which I do know how to crochet and a few other things, but baking is what I do. Tomorrow I will be sharing how I make chicken and dressing, and that will probably be the last cooking video until after Christmas. Thursday, there will be a Christmas light video on mine and my sister's travel channel, the Gallivant Gingers. The link is in the video description for that channel if you want to check it out. We're going to go to Dayton, Tennessee, and we're going to enjoy some Christmas lights. They light up the entire courthouse square, and it's really pretty. Friday, there will be another episode of the Lake Hill City Birds. We have a family of bluebirds that I've been trying to get on video, but they're camera shy. They always show up as soon as I take down the GoPro. I've got a few photos of them through the dining room window, but that's about it. So hopefully I'll get some video of them, but if not, I'll find something out there to video. Well, I'll quit rambling now. As always, thanks for watching and have a very blessed night.